Hi guys, this is a short video of our road trip across Death Valley. We have driven 200 miles from Los Angeles and it took us about 3.5 hours. This is the first day of our 17-night road trip across California, Nevada, Utah and Arizona. We have driven across Death Valley before and this time we have decided to stay overnight in Stovepipe Wells. Right now we are descending 2,500 feet to Panamint Valley from Father Crowley Overlook, and we will stop here to take some photos. On our first visit in June to Death Valley, the heat was somewhat unbearable. This time we are here in November and the weather is cool and sunny, perfect for sightseeing and walking. After our photo stop in Panamint Valley, we are now heading towards Stovepipe Wells. This is a wonderful drive and the scenery is great too. Because it's November and the days are short, we will arrive at Stovepipe Wells just before sunset. Now we are in Stovepipe Wells. We're going to just sit for a while and watch the sun go down. The vibrant, warm colours of the sunset were truly amazing and breathtaking. After that, we'll have some dinner in the restaurant with a couple of drinks at the fire pit before heading back to our comfortable room. We are up early this morning and as you can see the sun is coming up ahead of us. The temperature is 35 degrees Fahrenheit with a moderate breeze, so we are wrapped up in coats, gloves and hats. This is Zabriskie Point and we are here to watch the sunrise. The colours around us change every minute and it's an amazing sight to see. Please don't forget to click like on our video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.